This video tutorial I will explain equals method of arrays class which accept long array and long array. Here I have defined a class arrays demo. Then I have defined long array 1. Then I have defined long array 2. Then I have defined long array 3. Then I am calling equals method of arrays class and passing long array 1 and long array 2. This method check if both arrays are equal. If both are equal, it returns true, else it returns false. If you see, both arrays are equal, so we will get true. Then I am calling equals method of arrays class and passing long array 1 and long array 3. If you see, long array 1 and long array 3 are different, so we will get false. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.